Hey there friends, I'm back again with a new tutorial video. In this video, I will teach you how to create a transparent header in Wix, giving your website a sleek and modern look. First, open your Wix website in the Wix editor. You can do this by logging into your Wix account and then selecting the site you want to edit. Next, navigate to the headers section of your website. You'll usually find this at the top of your page. Here it is. Now click on the header and then right click and then click the edit header. In here you can choose the no color theme headers. When choosing no color, it will automatically change your header to a transparent background. So before you finish, preview your website to see how your transparent header looks in action. So here, let's preview. So this ensures that your transparent header will be visible when you publish your site. Now once you're happy with the result, go ahead and publish your site for the world to see. You can click this one. And that's it. You now know how to create a transparent header in Wix, giving your website a stylish and contemporary appearance. I hope you found this tutorial helpful in enhancing the design of your Wix website. Experiment with different transparency levels to find the perfect look for your header. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to create a transparent header in Wix. See you on my next video.